Recording. Okay. Hello, everyone. And today we are going to discuss the next week, but let me start from the result of the previous week. As we discussed above, the previous week was the last one for the interview. But several mentors asked me to extend deadline by some reason. That's why I'm waiting till the end of this week while all interviews will be completed. Then I'm going to check each student, and in case of some issues it might be the score is not updated, and for instance mentor forgot to add feedback or something else. I will discuss each case with mentors, and I hope that next week I will correct the pairs of mentor and student. It's necessary step due to some mentors has a lot of student, and the other a very small group. So I'm gonna to little bit update groups and reassign some students one more time. But I hope it will be it will not disturb you from the learning. Okay, and finally, as it was mentioned at the very beginning, the student who got less than 16 60% of the score, unfortunately, will be expelled. We do it first of all for the student, because in case you have gaps, it's time to keep a pause and let's say refresh your knowledge, cover gaps and so on, and only after it you will be able to get new knowledge, to apply knowledge. In case the student with a low score after the technical screening will try to learn further, it will lead to the a huge gaps and misunderstanding and just mix up our all knowledge, and the student will not be able to pass interview to the company. So that's why we decided that the minimal applicable score for the stage 2 is 60%. And that's all related to previous week, and let's discuss the next week. Okay, starting from the current week, you will learn TypeScript and pay attention. The next task mostly will be about TypeScript. So you will use TypeScript more often than JavaScript for further. And frankly speaking, in real project life, we use TypeScript much often than JavaScript. So we decided that it would be more useful for our student to use TypeScript as well during the educational course. Okay, this week you should learn a lot of theory and look at watch the webinar that was conducted a year ago for the Lithuania about TypeScript, and you will get 3-week assignments. First of all, it's TypeScript Essentials. It's about passing several online courses where you improve your knowledge related to TypeScript. Pay attention, this task is cross-check. So that means you should share your badges from these online courses, and other student will check that you definitely passed these courses. And the next assignment, it's about improve and apply knowledge related to object. It's the same as you did for the other assignments, like where is JS, conditional loops, strings, numbers, and so on. So it's also a set of small tasks to apply knowledge related to JavaScript objects. And finally, the new one. Oh, I hope you didn't sign this task before. It's a Code Wars. It's a platform with a lot of tasks, but we require uh, y- that you resolve this set of tasks. But I like this platform so much, and I hope that it will help you to prepare to any interview, to learn something new, and just practice. And as you can see, I have a lot of points here, so I know. And uh, how to say, I know that it definitely works and helps. So pay attention on this platform and do not stop on this set of tasks. And that's all. Each of these tasks is for 2 weeks duration. So all of them you should complete at the end of next week. By pay attention that next week you will start working on a new task, and it's a full application that you will implement from scratch. I hope that you will correct manage your time and complete as much as it's possible within this week from this week assignments. And that's all from my side for today. If you have questions, please feel free to ask or to text in the chat. Seems there are no questions. Thank you guys for attending and wish you a good week. Thank you and bye bye.